Are you wondering how to delete your Chase Bank transaction history? Unfortunately, deleting transaction history isn't possible due to legal and security reasons. However, here are a few tips to help you manage your transaction records. Firstly, open the Chase mobile app or website, then log in using your username and your password. Next, go to the account where you want to manage transactions. Then, click on the See Activity or Account Activity tab. Note, Chase Bank does not allow you to delete or alter transaction history. All transactions are permanently recorded for security and legal reasons. But, alternatively, you can choose to hide transactions. So you can do this by filtering and hiding transactions by adjusting date ranges or transaction types, though they still won't be deleted. Next, you can also choose to contact customer support. If you believe a transaction is incorrect or fraudulent, contact Chase customer service to dispute or correct it. And you can also choose to download statements and save them if you need to keep a personal copy outside of the bank system. So simply go to the statement section, select the period, then download. And after that, make sure to log out of your account in order to increase security. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.